Are you just changing the filter?
Yeah, both filters. This is the water filter, and the little guy got a different one, so I hope it works. We'll find out if this truck moves anymore.
Well, that's not good.
Like, that's why I did what we did. I wanted to make sure it run. Then we'll prime the hell out of it. But I'm gonna pre-filter these filters. I'm gonna get it running. We're gonna do load. Oh shit. Oh.
Just pouring water?
It's diesel.
Oh. Yummy. What's this?
Hey, you got clean hands, open it up. That's the other, that's...
Diesel can this truck do?
I got a couple 100 gallons in there.
Oh. How fast can it go?
I actually get like 8 miles to the gallon.
No, how fast can it? 60, right?
Yeah, we're doing 60.
Could it go 75?
I wouldn't. I mean, you don't need to.
I know, I'm just asking.
I don't know if it can.
We're adopted house. You don't need to. It's a dump truck. Well, we took it to
How fast
that
do you
one
go
day.
when it's full?
What?
How fast do you go when it's full?
I do 50-ish. My tires, I don't want to blow up and die. I mean, seriously.
Don't you need new tires?
I mean, no, but I should have wood on them because they're in the sun every day and UV sucks. Dude, if I roll, it could kill me or kill somebody, dude.
Yeah, don't roll it.
I understand that, but if I have a front tire blowout, dude, there's nothing I can do. Hey, open that one up, would you please? That's what I got going on right now. Got some stuff to do today, but so I think this isn't. I asked one of my buddies that's a farmer, and this is still practical, but they switch it over. So I will go out there and see what happened. I put the oil water separator filter on, and this is because I didn't. My truck is a 95 Ford with the 8.3 Cummins, and it has the old school ball thing that we take off, and you'll see it in the video. I'm just in the garage right now, but I'm going to swap this filter out because my old one was all freaking piled with crap. So that's what we're going to do. But again, this goes in this ball piece. There is an O-ring in there. They didn't give me an O-ring for that, but I got the one for the thing. And then you got this little piece that, you know, you just snug it up so it don't go nowhere. So that's what we're going to do. And I got stuff to do today, so I'm not really going to run the truck today, but I'm going to have it primed up, and then I'll re-prime it when I start it, and I'll have the camera on. Because when I run it, when I pop this off, I want to be able to run it for an hour. I'm going to go get some loads so I can do some work on the driveway because it's well needed, and that's what we got to do. So, yeah. See you guys out there, and hope this helps somebody with the old school filter system. And like I said, we'll see when we get out there what it looks like. All right, thanks, guys. Bye. So I swapped this one out for my rig, and this setup right here, I've seen that they could change this. Probably this whole looking setup, because when we get this off, you'll see that it's like a weird underneath setup. So where the other filter that they gave me probably for more like the RVs or the superseded part is that it's freaking on, you know, the filter can spin on. I don't have the spin on filter like that. So I just left it loose. I had that primed up. I mean, I filled it with stuff. So this is where we're at here. And I put the other stuff back in just cause. But you see what it looks like. And I got one of my little guys out here with me. But I cleaned it once. And yeah, so this is what we got here. Like this, maybe. So that's nice and loose. I don't want to get too much diesel on my hands to fuck all my screw my stuff up. Sorry guys, I swore. I clean this out, and then look at this guy just gets off. I thought it was an O-ring in there. Maybe it doesn't feel like it, but I cleaned out in there, and just don't want no particles in the truck because that would suck. Clean it again just cause. So yeah, my old girl, this is the first time I'm doing it, and that's slacky on my part, but yeah. Perfect. Yeah, because I didn't bring a screwdriver because it's in my garage there, and I'm stupid. Don't mind me. This actually doesn't look that crazy. I should you about the real stuff here. I gotta be careful in case it's all fudged up. I should get it wet with some oil. Let's see if that fits it. There we go. That's all nicely. There, man. Dip my hands in it, huh? We'll be back in a second. I'll just